How to fix Chrome browser not working problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tag YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Chrome browser not working problem. So basically, if you are facing lots of difficulty like this, you can see here this is my Chrome browser. Let me go to the search button, and then you can see here it is automatically going off. You can see here, let me just go again, and then you can see, let me just go here, it is going automatically. So guys, if you're facing this type of problem or any kind of problem from Chrome browser, then this video will be absolutely for you. And also, before starting the videos, please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is all okay and it's on a good condition. And the second step, what you can do here is you have to go to your Google Play Store, and then after going to your Google Play Store, you have to search for your Chrome here, CHOROME. Okay, so here you can see this is the Chrome browser, so you have to update your Chrome browser. If your Chrome is asking for an update, you have to update your Chrome. So after updating your Chrome, you can go and check it out whether it is working or not. I hope this will help you out. So guys, if these things also doesn't work, then no need to worry, I have another solution for you. You just need to go to your phone settings, you have to scroll down, and then you have to go to apps management option. So after going to app management or install apps, it will be there on your phone. So go to your app list, there will be a list of your application that has been installed to your phone. So here you have to simply search for Chrome. So here you can see this is the Chrome browser. So what you need to do here, guys, just simply, it's very pretty simple. You can see here storage usage, simply click on storage usage, and then you can see here manage space options. Simply click on manage space option, and then you have to clear all the data. Here you can see here clear data, simply click on clear data and press on OK, and then here clear caches. So you have to clear the caches also. Again, click here, and then free up space. So simply click on free up space and then go back. Okay, so now guys, you can see a permission option. Simply click on the permission option, and then you have to allow all the permission here. Let me just show you. In your phone it might be on a different icon, but you have to allow all the permission. So now after this, you can check it out whether it is working or not. So I hope this will absolutely work for you. So if these things work, then you can see here it's very good. If it is working, then it's good, and if it is not working, then what you can do here is you have to go to settings, and you have to go to software updates. So simply go to software updates, and then you have to check whether your phone is asking for an update or not. So here you can see there is no update. So if your phone is asking for an update, you can update it and you can go for it. Now the last option what you can do is, if this solution doesn't work, then simply uninstall the Chrome browser, and then you have to reinstall the browser, and then you can check it out. It will 100% help you out. Thanks for watching, guys. Do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you soon on the next video. And the last thing I want to say you is, you can go to your Chrome browser and clear your history and also the search history. After that also it might get work. Thanks for watching.